We now intend to mobilize the people, to sensitize people to now be able to implement the crops regulations of 2023, which are provided for what area to sell, what time, right? And I am by today, probably by end of week, I will be gazetting the Muguka and the Miraa pricing committee, because the issue of the problem people are talking about the pricing because it's cheap and is being accessed by many children. I want now to have a committee as provided in the regulations for them to be able to sit down and be able to give guidelines on how Muguka will be sold or in terms of pricing, so that that problem is sorted out. So we are on course. We have involved all the lenders. We are also looking for those other governors from Kwale, from Mombasa, Tana River, so that we can also have a discussion, because when they understood I was unwell, they did not get into the meeting.